Hi everyone! If you want the cinnamon bun flavor but without the individual rolls, you can make it all in one big dish like a cinnamon bun casserole. The most time you'll spend of this recipe is measuring out the ingredients and organizing them into 3 separate groups. It's perfect for big families with different appetites. With this recipe, everyone can choose the portion that suits them. Once all your ingredients are measured and ready, all you have to do is mix them together. It really doesn't get any simpler than that. With the holidays closing in, I might just make this for our holiday celebrations. Here guys, make sure to grease the pan with butter or oil before you start. Just pour the mixture in and that's it for part 1. Honestly, wasn't that pretty easy? This is one of those recipes where explaining and getting everything ready takes more time than actually making it. Now let's move on to part 2. The same goes here, just put everything together and mix it up. Before I started cooking and baking, I used to think baking was more complicated than cooking. But now I'm pretty sure it's not. You just need to pay attention to the ingredient amounts, and after that, the oven does all the work. Now just take the tablespoon and drop little random piles of the cinnamon filling all over. Now it's time to get creative with your dinner knife. Every time you bake this cake, it will be unique thanks to the pattern you create. Just make sure to gently press everything down into the bottom of the pan. I'm pretty satisfied with my pattern, especially since this is the first time I'm baking this cake. And just like that, we are done with part 2. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we just need to pop it in the oven for around 40 minutes. Our final mixture is made with just 3 ingredients. Combine everything and you're ready for the final touch. It looks pretty good to me, but I still need to check if it's fully baked through. If the knife comes out clean and dry, then our cake is ready for the icing. Drizzle the icing on however you prefer, let it cool for about an hour, and then you can start enjoying your cinnamon cake. It's very delicious.